The TC-125 will cut any tire with a rim diameter of 23.5 to 25 inches. Construction tires and rear farm tires up to 52 inches in diameter can be cut with complete safety. This heavy-duty tire cutter, weighing at 5,800 pounds, is specifically designed to aid in difficult large tire disposal. Unique design features allow operator safety and the ease of operation. The TC-125 is powered by a 35 horsepower Kubota diesel. Rollers in the cutting table help move the tire for additional cutting. Three-handle operation allows simple control of all functions. Large agricultural and construction tires are easily lifted to the cutting table by the hydraulic lift function. A single handle control for the operator station makes this difficult action easy. The operator can complete the cutting process at one station with a clear working view. Large heavy-duty shear blade cuts through any large tire up to 52 inches in diameter. Tires cut into much smaller pieces make their storage, transport, and disposal more efficient and economical.